Welcome to ABCD class. Like I said before now, we did a live video where we talked about it. Now, there is nothing much difficult in learning ABCD Igbo. All you have to do is pay attention and follow the tone the way it sounds. Okay, now let's go. A in English, we call it A, B, B, C, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, B, B, H, H, G, G, He, He, E, A, J, K, B, Quế, Quế, Lê, Lê, Mí, Mí, Ní, Ní, Ngoé, Ngoé, Nguế, Nguế, Nhê, Nhê, Ô, Ô, O, 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 Pi, Pi, Ri, Ri, Si, Si, She, She, Ti, 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 U, U, O, O, V, V, we, ye, Z, Z. Now let's go again. This time we'll go faster. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, Y, W, H, I, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, Nguyen, Nguyen, Nhê, Ô, O, Pi, Ri, Si, Shi, Ti, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, Y, W, H, I, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, Nguyen, Nguyen, Nhê, Ô, O, Pi, Ri, Si, Shi, Ti, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. There's another way you can sing it like a music. Now let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, Y, W, H, I, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, Nguyen, Nguyen, Nhê, Ô, O, Pi, Ri, Si, Shi, Ti, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Now let's go again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, Y, W, H, I, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, Nguyen, Nguyen, Nhê, Ô, O, Pi, Ri, Si, Shi, Ti, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Okay, so we have the singing aspect of it, and now we have the reading aspect of it. So let's read again before you can try yours. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, Y, W, H, I, A, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, Nguyen, Nguyen, Y, nye, o, ọ, pi, ri, si, shi, ti, u, ọ, vi, wi, ye, ze. Try it yourself and see how many you can pronounce very well.